Alright guys, today we're taking a look at the Gerber 06 Auto. It is a super duper beefy knife. Not in a bad way, it's just really solid construction on this knife. And that is a great thing in my mind. So overall length is 8.6 inches. The blade length is 3.7 inches of S30V. You can see that right there. Made in Portland, Oregon. I'm from Eugene, Oregon, so that's, what is that, a 2-hour drive up the road from me. And really solid knife. Handles are 5 inches in length, and they're aluminum on this version. We also have the G10 version available, but I'll get to that in a second. Button lock for automatic deployment, and it is a huge button, so you can't miss it. There's a safety just in case you're worried about it going off, so when it's in your pocket, not a problem. Flip it off, boom, there you go. Anyways, you've got a pocket clip right there for tip up right or left carry. There's the screws to switch it. And it is 7 ounces in weight. Let's do a size comparison next to our tactical clothespin, fitting for a tactical knife. There you go. Okay, so options. You've got the plain edge drop point version. Also comes in serrated drop point. You've got the Tonto with serrations or without serrations. And for the G10, you've got Tonto with or without serrations. And the G10 feels nice. It gives you a little extra grip if you were worried about the aluminum slipping. Not that it would, but this just gives you a little more grip. And there you have it. So guys, go ahead and buy this knife at bladehq.com. It is the Gerber 06 Auto.